Siya pala yung tumutunog guys, oh. Grabe yung tunog niya.
Insects in the family Teddigoniidae are commonly called katydids, especially in North America. 1. Or bush crickets. 2. They have previously been known as longhorned grasshoppers. 3. More than 8,000 species are known. 1. Part of the suborder Ensiphera, the Teddigoniidae are the only extant, living family in the superfamily Teddigonioidea. Are bush crickets harmful? Crickets can bite, but they cannot bite into the human skin easily. But this doesn't mean these critters are risk-free. The risk with crickets doesn't lie in their bite, it lies in the diseases they carry, such as E. coli and Salmonella.